A total of 153 police personnel were injured, with two of them in ICU after a group of violent farmers broke barriers to storm the national capital on Tuesday, their tractor parade to highlight their demands dissolving into unprecedented scenes of anarchy as they fought with the police, overturned vehicles, and hoisted a religious flag from the ramparts of the Red Fort. Clashes broke out at multiple places, leading to violence in well-known landmarks of Delhi and its suburbs amid waves of violence that ebbed and flowed through the day. A protester died after his tractor overturned near ITO, one of the major flashpoints of trouble. In a statement, the police said protesting farmers violated the conditions agreed on for their tractor parade. Let's move on to next news. Late Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's close aide V.K. Sasikala will complete her 4-year prison term for corruption on Wednesday, but having tested COVID positive on January 20th, she may have to continue her treatment in a Bangalore hospital. According to prison authorities, she will be formally released today. All the required formalities pertaining to her release will be completed at the hospital itself on Wednesday, as she has been quarantined due to COVID. The retail price of petrol touched a new high in Delhi on Wednesday, with oil marketing companies raising the prices by 25 paise a litre to Rs 86.30. Similarly, prices of diesel also increased by 25 paise to 76.48 rupees a litre. In Mumbai, on the other hand, diesel prices were at high of rupees 83.30 a litre, while petrol was seen at 92.86 rupees, up 27 paise and 24 paise respectively. Diesel prices had touched an all-time high of 81 rupees 94 paise a litre in Delhi on July 20th last year. Cricket Australia on Wednesday confirmed that India's players were subjected to racial abuse during the third test at the Sydney Cricket Ground, but cleared 6 spectators who were taken from their seats and questioned by the police at the ground. Cricket Australia launched an investigation with New South Wales Police after Indian fast bowlers Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj complained of hearing racist slurs while fielding near the boundary rope. Play was held up for 10 minutes on the day 3 after Siraj approached an umpire to voice his concerns before police stepped in to take 6 male fans from their seats. Chief of Haryana Unit of Bharatiya Kisan Union Gurram Singh Chadhuni has accused Punjabi singer and actor Deep Sidhu of inciting and misguiding the protesters. Violence broke out during a tractor rally organized by farmers in Delhi on Tuesday. It was during the chaos that followed that a group of farmers stormed the Red Fort and hoisted a flag that was not the tricolour. The Bharatiya Kisan Union, meanwhile, has blamed the Delhi police and local administration for the violence that broke out in the national capital during the tractor march. In a statement, the Bharatiya Kisan Union said the farmers were following the route that had been agreed upon for the tractor march, but at some places the routes were not earmarked with barricades to confuse the farmers.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.